Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to place a bet inside the Ladbrokes app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you first want to do is open up your Ladbrokes app as you normally would. And then once you're inside here, you're going to be on your home tab here. So now to place a bet, you just got to first figure out what type of bet you want to place. So we got racing, sports, etc. And you've also got these tabs down below. You got next up, racing, sports. So just find which bet you'd like to place a bet on. So if I want to do some racing, I'm going to click on racing down below here. And now we've got different type of races we can do. So we got horses, trotters, dogs, etc. So if you want to do only dogs, click on dogs and then uncheck the others. And now we got greyhound racing. So if we want to place a bet on today, we can place a bet for tomorrow. We'll have a look at tomorrow's or Friday, Saturday's futures. They might not have markets up open for them, so be mindful of that. So if I want to place a bet on for today, and I'm just going to choose where I want to place the bet on. So if I want to place a bet, say in, what have we got here? So we've got a few different options. If I want to do Rockhampton, I'm going to click Rockhampton. And now you got like race 1, race 2, race 3. Find which race you'd like to place a bet on. So now if I want to do race 1, I'm going to click on race 1. If we scroll down, we'll be able to see the odds for the win and the place on this race. So you can have a look at all the different names and that. So if I want to put a bet on this one here, I'm going to click on either, so we got win or place. So if I go down here, I'm going to do $15 for the win, and then it'll come up as you come up to the top right to have a look at your bet slip. I already put a bet in earlier, so I'm going to get rid of that one. And now, so I've got this one here, Hassan in Rockhampton, race 1, fixed win on $15. Now from here, I want to click onto place bet, but the place bet, you got to make sure you got enough funds to place the bet. I currently don't have any funds, so I need to go add funds and then place that bet to confirm.